Welcome to the future of creative projects. Discover how Dlux integrated Workfront with ChatGPT revolutionized creative content generation. Dlux has revolutionized content creation by seamlessly integrating Adobe Workfront with ChatGPT together, creating an unparalleled workflow. Setting up is simple. Link your Workfront account with ChatGPT, define your creative parameters, and you're ready to innovate. You can also edit the image, compare and acquire approvals, and alter the final image as you see fit. However, the metadata doesn't typically appear here under normal circumstances, and therein lies the catch. Here's where Dlux's innovation of metadata integration comes into play. Also, effortlessly witness the transformation of your metadata creation process quickly using the automated Workfront scenario. Previously, viewing meta tags was beyond reach, but now, thanks to Dlux's revolutionary integration, we can see them post-execution. Linking your Workfront account with ChatGPT provides you with the following benefits: enhanced productivity, the ability to brainstorm ideas and generate high-quality content, improved workflow and streamlining the process, time savings. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or want to discuss this further, please contact us. We value your engagement and do look forward to connecting with you.